Hi guys, spring is here, summer is coming, and if you're like me, you're already starting to plan projects to do when the warmer weather finally arrives. One of the things a lot of people are thinking about is a do-it-yourself outdoor kitchen installation. This is a project you can design yourself. You can grab an app with a tool called SketchUp that'll help you create a 3D model of your design. It helps visualize the final result. But before you start doing that, you want to sketch out your outdoor kitchen layout. Just on a piece of paper with a pencil or a pen, consider the necessary features and appliances you want to include. Determine the location of your outdoor kitchen, and make sure it's convenient for entertaining and cooking. Okay. Also, what you going to want to do is you're going to want to use a tool called CutList Pro, which is in SketchUp, and that's going to help you make a cutting list to estimate the material costs and plan your project efficiently. You're going to want to use metal studs to frame the project. These are U-channel, they're lightweight, they're easy to work with, and they're fireproof. You can assemble the metal studs using 1/2-inch self-tapping stainless steel screws, and this will keep the parts very square to each other. And then just remember, you always want to get protective gear, so wear eye protection. You may want to wear some gloves as well when you're going to be cutting the steel studs. You're going to want to install an electrical outlet. Again, consult the local building codes for how this is supposed to be done, but you definitely want to have electrical outlets in your outdoor kitchen. And then after everything is up, you're going to put a fiber cement board over the metal studs. And you're going to want to use 1-inch self-tapping screws to attach this waterproof cement backer board to the steel frame. You're going to cut the backer board with a circular saw and a fiber cement blade. That's a special blade that you put on the tool. Don't forget to wear a respirator because this generates a lot of dust. This will serve as the surface for your outdoor kitchen and then also your outdoor kitchen countertop as well. Just remember to plan your outdoor kitchen carefully, choose durable materials, enjoy the process, use safety equipment, and don't forget to consult local building codes. If you have any questions, comment, DM me below. You can call or text 401 409 5030. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.